Howdy folks, Grandpa Greenwald, old man with a pan. Well, today we're going to use our old BSR fish fryer here, and we're going to cook some french fries and some catfish. So I had the oil in here heating up. Wow, it's 345 degrees already. I'm going to have to turn that baby down. You turn her down. I have to get something in there. It's going to be too hot. Alrighty, let's get some of these french fries in here, these potatoes in here, and get that fire cooled down a little bit. A little leery about doing it like that, but let's go ahead and do it anyway. The secret is to put them in. Don't hesitate. Wow, really nice, really nice. Alrighty, these french fries, boy, they cook quick. Really quick for these big old fries. Let's see if we can get them out of here again without making a mess. Look at that, golden brown. They're kind of in the sunshine now. This old BSR, when it gets hot, it just continues to get hot. It'll cook these french fries, and the fish will just take a few seconds to get that cooked. But there's our first batch of french fries. I'll put another batch in real quick. Well, this is all we have now. We'll drop these in and get them cooking. I might even put some fish in there with them. All right. Good deal. Salt them up, ready to go. Well, it's browning already also. I'll get some of this catfish down in there. It's probably good. All right. Yummy, 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 get my tummy. Alrighty. We'll get another batch started. You got them, Chief? You got them, Chief? Wow. Catfish Nuggets. All right, one more big pan and we'll be done with this. eating catfish for breakfast.